So, let us see how to solve the equation. There are two kinds of equations. One is non-homogeneous equations. The other one is homogeneous equations. Non-homogeneous equations will be like this. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Whenever we have the equations like this, so this can be, yesterday also I told you, this can be written as a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, all the coefficients of the given equations. Now, how we will write the unknown terms x, y, z like column wise. Yesterday also I told you why we are writing column wise, okay, is equal to d1, not visible. Now it is visible, right, for everyone? Yes. Abhishek, why it is not visible? d1, d2, d3. So whenever we have like this, we will take this as ax is equal to b. Whenever we have like this, to find the unknown terms, we have two methods. One is matrix method, the other one is Cramer's rule. Okay, yesterday I told you I want only this x. If it goes is equal to this side, this a value is going is equal to that side. So x is equal to a inverse into b. What is a inverse? So a inverse is, no, now x is equal to, a inverse formula is adjoint a by det a, determinant of a into b. We learnt it, right? Yes. Now, see children, the very important thing I am going to discuss with you people, whenever we have the determinant value is not equal to 0, whenever the determinant value is not equal to 0, we can say that the system of linear equations is having the unique solution. It is having the unique solution. What is meant by unique solution? Only one solution we will get. Only one value we will get for x, y and z terms. Okay. Suppose if a, determinant of a is equal to 0, that means what is happening? This determinant value is becoming 0. That means the denominator is becoming 0. So now you have to find, you have to calculate this. What is that? Adjoint of a into b you have to calculate. You should not leave like that. After calculating the determinant, if you are finding the determinant value as 0, here now once again you have to find this value. What is that? Adjoint of a into b. If it is equal to 0, at that time it will have infinitely many solutions. What it will have? Infinitely many solutions. If it is not equal to 0, what is that? Adjoint a into b value. If it is not equal to 0, then at that time we don't have any solution at all. There is no solution. No solution for the system of linear equations. There is no solution at all. Is it clear to you? So once again I am telling you, if the determinant value, this one, if the determinant value is not equal to 0, then we will say that there is a unique solution. If the determinant value is becoming 0, that means the determinant is becoming 0, you have to calculate the numerator. What is your numerator? This is your numerator. Adjoint a into b, that you have to calculate. If while you are calculating, there you will get two cases. What is that? One is equal to 0, the other one is not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, you will have the infinitely many solutions. If adjoint A into B is not equal to 0, then we will say that there is no solution at all. That is called inconsistency.